Good morning, students. Welcome to our YouTube channel, Hardram Skill Center near from Range of Nagar. Our central code is 034 and Ankit Sharma. Students, yesterday we were discussing about wireless security. Now, in today's lecture, we'll be discussing about the mobile phone security. I'm writing my content, that is mobile phone security. The mobile phone which you are using in our daily life has become so powerful that it has all the capabilities of a computer, but in small and compact size. As we have been using our mobile phones as a computer, we can use many things in mobile phones as well. Also, we rely on our phones for storing tons of personal as well as corporate data. Remote accessing of work emails and other sensitive data is made possible using these smartphones only. But these smartphones have turned into gold mines for both user and cyber criminals to extract all your data, all your malicious activities. With the help of cyber criminals can do malicious activities and can gain your enormous data. So it is the responsibility of security professionals, or we might say that security analysts, to guide employees and individuals of an organization to preserve their digital assets and privacy on their smartphone. So, what is mobile device security? This topic, what is mobile device security? In the age of mobile computing, the security of mobile devices is essential and increasing in demand. Because personal data and business information are now stored mostly in the smartphones, tablets, okay, PDAs and such other businesses are seeking the help to them communicate, organize, manage their work as well as their private life in that smartphone. By 2020, like as we are going in 2020, by 2021, there will be more than 6 billion users within globe who will be using smartphones. So, what are the possible malware threats that could harm? I'm discussing about the possible mobile phone malware threats. So, as a security specialist, it is very essential for them to know about the type of malware that are associated with their mobile devices. Okay. So, first one comes is mobile spyware. Mobile spyware is a malicious software that can creep into apparently compassionate programs and in secret monitor your activity, track your geolocations as well as steal sensitive passwords even. So this is mobile spyware. Now next comes to mobile banking trojan. As we all use our banking sites or internet banking on mobile phones. So these are mobile banking viruses that targets and steals your bank details. In year 2016, mobile banking Trojan hits around 260,000 users across 160 countries. They acted as if they are legitimate bank application or bank users and then stolen all users, banks and account details. Next comes routing malware. These types of malware try to gain root access to any mobile device for providing its creators or cyber criminals the administrative privileges as well as access to those victims' files. Now next comes this SMS malware. These are used to manipulate mobile phones in sending premium rated SMSs text without letting the user know about them, and in a month and a large bill comes up to the target users. This is SMS malware. So how to keep mobile users safe? Question comes is how to keep mobile users safe. If your phone does not have data encryptions by default, set it up and enable the data encryption method. It is highly recommended to lock your systems. The first one comes as if your phone does not have data encryption by default, set it up. Okay. The next comes as highly recommendation to lock your systems with the password or biometric system such as fingerprint detection. Next comes is enable remote wiping systems on your smartphone so that your phone is stolen. You can remotely erase all your data using the system. Next is keep a backup of your data always. And next comes is never use third-party applications or applications that are not approved by the App Store. Next, keep your mobile phone system updated. Otherwise, cyber criminal make use of old bugs and infiltrate and take access to your smartphone's operating systems. Avoid opening illegitimate links and spam emails. Keep an anti-malware installed in your devices. Check if anyone is peeping or overlooking on your phones or not when you are using your personal purposes. So these are the methods how you could keep your mobile phone safe. So in today's lecture, we have discussed about the mobile phone security, what is mobile device security, and possible threats which could come in mobile phones and how to keep them safe. Okay, student. So our next lecture will be on buffer overflow. Thank you, students.